This is some of the different candle lanterns that I use. This one here is mostly used indoors. It's far too heavy to be carried out into the field because it's made out of cast iron. And that one there is mostly used indoors. The one in the middle there, this one I mostly carry out with me in my pack. This one actually Fog 360 gave me as a Christmas gift a few years ago. The reason I carry this one is it's compact, folds up small. If I just extinguish this candle a minute, that one's out. You can just see, you can pull in the sides and the whole thing sort of folds down, and the metal case in there protects the glass mantle from being damaged. We'll just put that one aside. The reason for this video though is not just on candle lanterns, but I watched JC's video. JC, his YouTube name is SRSS2012. I watched his video on making a prison match, and it reminded me of a technique I was taught once by a Malaysian woman actually. How to, if you haven't got candles and you haven't got batteries for your flashlight, how you can make a simple light. Basically for this demonstration I'm going to use an egg cup, just because I've got it to hand, and in there is just some ordinary cooking oil straight from the kitchen. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our toilet paper, or ass paper as JC calls it, and we've rolled it up and twisted it into like a wick, and we're just going to put that in the oil and just wait for the oil to soak up to the top of that wick. I apologise for the shakiness of the camera. I don't have a tripod, so it's kind of difficult doing this with one hand as well. You just want to make sure that the wick sort of like folds over the outside of the container that you're using, and then we just light that up. It'll take a little while to get going. As you can see, that flame's building up now, and it will burn like that for hours. And depending on the size of the container that you're using and the amount of oil that you've got in the container, you can add several wicks into the same container. So this is just a little tip that I learnt, and hope you enjoyed it. Try it out. And as always with fire, be cautious, and you want to put these things where they're not going to get knocked over, because you have to remember that oil is very flammable. So you want to make sure that they're out of the way of being knocked over. And if you're trying this for the first time, I recommend that you try it outside. Thank you for watching.